Welcome to a quick Bish review where we get straight to the point, no fluff, just facts and a little sass. Let's go. Okay, bestie, listen. This is part 3 of my Lake MVP series, and today we're getting into PM routine that saved my skin. I'm talking hydration, repair, full-on recovery mode because the sun did not come to play and neither did I. So let's start with the double cleanse I did for my face, the Skin 1004 Centella Cleansing Oil. Lightweight, melts off SPF and no weird residue. Followed by the Haruharu's Black Rice Gel Cleanser, which is gentle, non-drying, and does what it needs to do. For body, I went with Roche-Posay Lipikar Cleansing Oil. I didn't expect to love it, but here we are. It's foamy, removes sunscreen, and makes your skin feel silky without being greasy. Next came the moisture sandwich. First up, La Roche-Posay Lipikar Cream. Thick, rich, dreamy. Slaps on post-sun like a hug for your skin. For the face, I kept it simple but solid. After cleansing, I started with the Rose Glazing Fluid, that dewy hydration hit, no breakouts, no drama. Then I sealed it with the AESTURA's Atobarrier 365 cream, a Korean favorite for a reason. Ceramides, hydration, and the skin drinks it up. On nights where I needed extra soothing, I rotated between the Mediheal's Madagascar blemish pads and their calming mask. Both are chill, calming, and make my skin feel And just in case the sun really overstepped, Avène Cicalfate cream always comes through. It's rich, ultra healing, and honestly just makes everything better. That's it for this quick Bish review. Hit subscribe. New videos drop every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Links, details, all the goods. You know where to find them down below. Okay, Bish, listen, I gotta go, but I'll catch you in the next one.